Now, I've kept my favorite bubble tip till last because it's something that when I'm running a bubble coaching session with someone, helping them develop their bubble app live over Zoom, this is something that time and time again, I get the response of, oh, I just wish I knew that. But before I share that tip, you're watching this video and you've got this far because you are learning Bubble, you have started your no-code development journey, and so you'll want to discover more Bubble tutorial videos, and we have got many more than you can find on our YouTube channel. We have member exclusive videos that you can only find at planetnocode.com. So head to planetnocode.com to accelerate your Bubble journey and join our no-code developer community there. What's this final tip? Well, it's run as. So I'm logged in as a user here. I've put this label up here to say current user's name is Adam. If I go into my database and go onto users, I've got 2 users set up in my dev version of my Bubble app, and I'm currently logged in as Adam. Now, I don't have a registration workflow. I don't even have a sign-in workflow set up in my Bubble app here. So what if I wanted to quickly test the app as Matt instead? Well, it's so simple. I just click Run As, and it opens in a new tab. But now I'm logged in as Matt. Watch, I can go back. Let's run as Adam again. I'm now logged in as Adam. Okay, saves so much time. If you want to test your app, and you should be testing, especially if you've got different levels of access, who can see what, or like 2 different types of users, like you get in the marketplace, you've got buyers, you've got sellers, you'll be testing and testing and testing. And you'll want to be testing as your different test users, and you can quickly swap between them using the run as command in the row of your Bubble database under your data type of users. So that's it. Those are my top 10 tips that I think everyone should know and everyone would benefit from before they set out and creating their Bubble no-code app, whether you're a beginner or advanced. I mean, even if you've been using Bubble for years, I hope that you've picked up something. Maybe you've got a Bubble top tip and it's something that you think, this was amazing when I learned it, and you would love to share it. Well, I encourage you to leave a comment down below. I'm going to read every single comment. It's great that the Bubble community is so supportive of each other. So leave your Bubble tip down below, and if it's a great one, I'll even make a video about it too.